Today, I'm excited to reveal a special Shopify offer available only through the link in the description below. This incredible deal offers you a 3-day free trial plus your first month for just $1, allowing you to save 90% on your initial month with Shopify. To take advantage of this offer, just click the link below. No promo codes are necessary. It's designed to be very straightforward. Once you follow the link, you'll arrive at a special Shopify page. Start by entering your email and click on Start Free Trial. You might see a form next, which you can either fill out or skip, according to your preference. Then, set your region and finalize your new account setup. Remember, you will have a 3-day free trial, but you'll also be able to lock in your plan right away. Shopify has several plans, including Basic, Shopify, and Advanced, each tailored for different business sizes, but typically more costly. With this link, your first month is just $1. This offer is a perfect chance to try out Shopify's extensive tools and features at a very low cost. It's ideal for those wanting to launch their online store for the first time. Don't let this exclusive Shopify deal pass you by. Click the link in the description to get started, and if you have any questions about the setup or selecting the right plan, just ask in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.